Hello everyone, this is Danny from Bloomden Bioceramics and from the Dentech China 2021. This is the 25th Dentech dental show, the biggest dental show in China. So this is our booth and we are from Bloomden Bioceramics. We are the manufacturer for the dental zirconia block. And this is our star product. We call it 3D Pro. 3D Pro is a kind of very special multi-layer zirconia block. It contains 5 layers, different layers, and different layer has its own individual strengths and brightness, translucent. So this is the 3D Pro multi-layer is a process of aesthetic. It contains different layer and different layer. It can be very close to the natural gradation of our human teeth, and it is consistent Vita Classic shade max. You see, this is Vita, and this is our monolithic crown of 3D Pro multi-layer. It is very natural. Come here. Well, this is our 3D Pro zirconia block. This is open system, and it is from 650 to 1100 MPa, and the translucent is from 24% to 29%. And this is our demo board, and you can see this is without glazing. From shade A1 to A2, A3, D2, and D2. So we covered the Vita 16 shades and plus bleach 4 colors. And this is with glazing. In the indication is different from the like the posterior, the anterior, and inlay, onlay, and 3-unit bridge, monolithic crown, and this is the implant. Well, most of our customers, especially from the United States, they prefer the 4-arch case like this from 3D Pro. The strength is very reliable and durable. Normally, they prefer this match for the 4-arch case. And this is a 4-arch case we made in our lab. See, we have Bloomden now is manufacturing the like the white zirconia, pre-shaded zirconia, and multi-layer zirconia. And this is for the white zirconia. We have the coloring liquid for covering all Vita 16 shades. Previously, we are not very good at the 3-unit bridge, but now see the zirconia is a 5-unit bridge. In such case, we have already made millions from our European and United States customers. Bloomden also has the design center, and we can support the 3 shape and escalate. If you have any CAD requirement, you can come to contact us. Recently, we have dealt with some covering, like flexible PMMA can work on the temporary cover. This is a 4-arch. If you have any teeth and has some line problem, show the case. Okay. And when you join the wedding or some special party, you can put on a flexible and temporary PMMA to make this. Yes. Okay, this is English. So we can make the flexible PMMA in 24 hours. You can catch your wedding ceremony or the birthday party or something else without harm to your health and your teeth. Also, Bloomden also developed these orthodontist solution from our division, and this is the ceramic bracket. Ceramic bracket. It is a little transparent, but not very 100% transparent. It's close to that. And we have some, and we just newly developed this. This is by the ceramic design, and the advantage is like invisible compared to the metal bracket. So no metal mouth look. It's very convenient and very how to say this close to the aesthetic. Well, this is our new product. We brought it to the show. Bloomden now is becoming the CAD/CAM catacomb material solution provider, and we can cover all the not only the zirconia blocks, but also from the CAD, the design part, and to manufacturing zirconia. And we do some auxiliary products like grinder, milling burrs. Even we have the dental lab equipment and tools like fast sintering furnace. We already brought it to the show. This is faster. You can up to raise the temperature to 1530 degrees in 20 minutes. It's very fast. Of course, we also have the porcelain furnace. We'll also brought to the show. Yes, it's over there. We have the demo and on live on Facebook platform. We can make it live. And this is our ultra translucent zirconia solution. Basically, it is preferred. The indication is for the anterior side. Because it has the very extraordinary translucent. It's up to 49% translucent. It's very good for the interior indication. And this is our PMMA and PIC material. It can widely used for the temporary teeth, crowns, and bridges. And here is our ceramic bracket. It is from the ceramic material, and also this is a pre-shade solution. This is a pre-shade. This pre-shade is popular in Mid East area and some other regions. Based on the white zirconia, it is already put the shaded powder into the powder. We have ST pre-shade. What's the difference? Because they have some translucent and strength are different, and according to our customer different requirement, we make a different series. But the performances are very good, according to the review from our customers. And ST appreciated the indication covered the posterior, anterior, and the unit bridge and a single crown. And the ST Plus is based on the ST because ST Plus has a little higher translucent. It can be done in 46% translucent. This UT appreciated. This case is better for the anterior, and it has 49% translucent, very translucent. And also this is a 3D Pro case. In this case, this is an only case. It can cover all the indications like posterior posterior, anterior, and this is a 5-unit bridge. Look at the translucent. And this is our ST multi-layer. This is a 4-arch case. ST multi-layer was very popular before the 3D Pro was invented, but still it has the requirement from our customer, especially for the Middle East and Russia. And they prefer this because it has a very good performance in strength. The strength is 111, 1,100 MPa. So 3D Pro has become popular and popular for the reason it has 5 different layers, and each layer has its own individual translucent and strength. It is very close to the human nature teeth because of its great performance for the color gradation. '3D Pro is the shade is gradually changed. It's very natural, and the strength is okay. This is the posterior case. So you see, our customer using to make the posterior it has 650 MPa. It can make the veneer. This veneer part is very popular nowadays. So that's all for this. If you have any questions or requirement, you can come to us and contact us. We have this couple of days we have the online live stream in Facebook, and if you have interest, you can search Zirconia Bloomden. This is our ID on Facebook. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.